Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn $900 into over $11,000. So just stay tuned. Hey smart home enthusiasts, my name is Kyle Wright and I'm your smart home butler. Here to help you get from I don't know where to start home to smart home. Right now in this housing market, houses are flying off the shelf. And if you could increase the value of your home by 5% and ensure that it sells quicker, wouldn't you want to do that? Well, that's what we're going to do. I'm going to show you 3 devices that you need to install in your house today to increase the value of your home. Your home is probably your most valuable asset. But what a lot of people don't realize is that by simply having a smart home, you can raise the value of your home by up to 5%. And I'm going to show you how. In the United States, the median home value is about $229,000. And 5% of that is $11,480. $11,480 that you could increase your home value by simply enacting these steps. So in order for your home to be considered a smart home and to increase the value by 5%, you need to have a minimum of 3 permanently affixed smart home devices in your house. You're not going to be able to use things like voice assistants or external smart plugs or even smart lights because these are things that you are likely to take with you when you remove from the home. So the 3 devices that I would recommend that come in just under $900 total are going to be 3 products from Nest. This is going to be the Nest Video Doorbell, the Nest Thermostat, as well as the Nest Yell Smart Lock. All 3 of these devices are provided by Nest, which really makes it great for the future homeowner of your house, in that all 3 of the devices that you're putting in your home can all be controlled from one single app. This can be a really great selling point when it comes to sell the home as a smart home. So I'm going to put some more articles and such in the description below in case you want to do your own research on this idea. But I really hope that this helps you raise the value of your home. And if you want to watch 3 videos on how to install these particular devices that I mentioned, you can check that out here.